Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool maker right here, and basically what these are is some disposable face masks, and it's from the brand called akgk. So for the one that we got right here is 100 pack, and they're all black color or black design. But eventually, this is basically what the packaging looks like. Let me actually open up and show you guys what the inside looks like first. So basically want to peel off this part right here, and they do have a zipper right here, so that way you can actually seal it back up when you guys are not using it. And also in the back right here, they show you guys the instruction on how to use it correctly. So we guys open it up. This is basically what the inside looks like. So it's all nicely compressed inside. So here's one pack right here. And then here is another pack. So I'm assuming in each one of these packs has 50. So 50 in this pack and then 50 in this pack. But they're basically all the same thing. So let's actually take out one of them to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So this is what it looks like on this side. And we flip it on the other side. This is what it looks like on this side. So basically both sides is a black design. It's not like the other ones I have where one side is black and one side is white. But basically when you guys feel the top part here, they do have this metal strip right here that is bendable. So that way you guys get a more tighter fit when you guys put it onto your nose area right here. And basically the way how you guys know which side to put it on is by looking at the strip right here. So if this side is facing in the front, then you guys want to put the other side into your face. So just like this. And you basically want to clip this part here to make it tighter. And then once you guys put it on, this is basically what it actually looks like. So once you put on this mask right here, it definitely feels really nice and really comfortable. Both on the ear area right here and also the nose piece right here, it feels really, really comfortable. And once you guys put it on right here, it actually feels really comfortable as well. When you guys feel the side right here, there's definitely still that opening right here, which is totally fine and totally normal because you still need some way to actually breathe when you guys put on your face mask. But you see that once you actually put it on, this is basically what the product looks like. So for these face masks, once you guys use it one time, you usually want to dump it away. But this is basically what the product looks like once you put it on. The overall comfort and overall design definitely looks pretty nice, actually feels pretty nice as well. Even when I'm talking right now, you can see it gives me a pretty secure fit and I don't have to worry about the face mask coming down. I feel like if I keep using more and more to talk, it might start getting loose over time, but so far so good. If you can see, even when I'm talking right now, it's not coming down that often, which is really nice. So this is 1 out of 100 that I just got in this pack right here. I believe they do have other sets available where you can get more. But if you guys think 100 is enough for you guys, then this is definitely the one for you guys. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product, not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for the face mask, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you're trying to look for some disposable face mask that is a black design or black color, this one right here. So not only I guess protected, but that way I can get a pretty good face mask to wear that looks pretty nice as well. So that way you don't have to worry about wearing like the white ones, the blue ones, or whatever. Because for me personally, I prefer going with the black one. They look so much nicer, if you can see. So if you guys do prefer like the black ones over like the other face masks, like the white or blue ones, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have to do one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.